Lenovo ThinkPad 11.6 inches Ultra Portable Business Notebook. Review Deal Discount Unboxing Setup. Pros: Windows 10 Pro x64, 4GB RAM, 128GB SSD. Celeron quad-core, What? Bluetooth, AC Wi-Fi. Lightweight. 6+ hours battery life. Minimal bloatware. Decent keyboard feel. Screen mirroring works. Sound quality. Cons: very few minimal cons at this price point. Only 2 USB ports. No physical Wi-Fi switch, dedicated hotkey though. Hotkey FN button disabled out of box but keys work. I picked this up on an impulse buy last week. This was on sale for $199. I know PCs and this was a steal at that price and is still a great deal at the currently listed price of $270. I have a custom-built desktop for gaming and everything else at home and a bunch of workstations at work, but I lacked an ultra-portable. The main use for this will be as a backup in case something goes wrong with my home PC, need to be able to get work and school work done, and to take with me on trips if needed. It's also nice to be able to do homework or light browsing somewhere other than the home office. What I like about it: the laptop has some great hardware specs, true quad-core, and runs Win 10 effortlessly. It's not a powerhouse, but it's definitely a few steps above your average Chromebook or underpowered netbook that you can get for the same price. Very little bloatware came installed. I removed McAfee and a few Lenovo add-ons that weren't necessary for normal operation of the hardware, software. Took maybe 20 minutes to go through. There are a few things you'll want to keep, so don't go uninstalling anything that says Lenovo. We'll update and provide a list later. Battery life stays 6+ hours on full charge. With the screen at 25% brightness, the estimated jumped to 7 hours 22 minutes. Impressive. The design is simple and functional. Nothing too flashy. The bottom of the laptop and the bezel for the lid is coated in this gray texture that makes it nice for use on your lap or other sloped surface. It doesn't slide. What I dislike about it: I use the term dislike very loosely here, but the only thing I noticed that wasn't right was that the hotkeys did not work out of the box. There are an assortment of functions like volume, screen brightness, Wi-Fi off, on, etc. that can be controlled by pressing the FN key and another key, but none of them worked for me. Not a big deal since I use the controls within the OS primarily. Still something I will investigate further. Only 2 USB ports available, with at least one being USB 3.0. Other uses. This will be an outstanding student laptop if what you want an actual PC to do homework, browsing, media playing and maybe light, very light, gaming. It's also just a great little PC to have in place of a Chromebook or even a tablet if you're considering a portable device. Windows 10 and Windows 8, 8.1 have screen mirroring technology built into the OS, so as long as your hardware supports it, most new devices will. You can mirror the device's screen on a smart TV or other smart display. All in all, this is a great deal and you should buy it. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.